I'm going to write a comment web development second section to denote the beginning of the second section. Let's start by calling a row and giving the main axis alignment a value of main axis alignment dot space evenly. Inside the children, call the animated card and set its image path to assets/webble.png. Height to 250.0 and width to 250.0 as well. Now we can add a sized box with a width of width device divided by 3. Inside the column, we can call the sans bolt and give it a text value of web development with a size of 30.0. The next thing we're gonna do is call sized box with a height of 15.0. We can now call sans and write I'm here to build your presence online with state-of-the-art web apps and give it a size of 15.0. I see that there is an error. I missed a comma, so let me just put it here. Let's go ahead and outside the row, let's call the sized box again, but this time with a height of 20.0. From this line, we are going to begin the coding of the next section, so it would be great to write a comment like app development, third section. Let's reload the app and see what the output is. Looks perfect. Also, I believe I need to add a period here. Let's start this section by calling a row and giving the main axis alignment a value of main axis alignment dot space evenly. Now we can add a sized box with a width of width device divided by 3. Inside the column, we can call the sans bolt and give it a text value of app development with a size of 30.0. The next thing we're gonna do is call sized box with a height of 15.0. We can now call sans again and write, do you need a high performance, responsive, and beautiful app? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's set it to 15.0 as well. After the sized box, let's call the animated card and set the image path to assets/app.png. Height to 250.0 and width to 250.02. Pass through to the reverse now and call the sized box again with a height of 20.0. Once we're all done, we can go ahead and reload the app. It looks good. So let's move on to the backend development section now. We should add a row widget, and in the main axis alignment, pass a value of main axis alignment space evenly. I'm gonna call the animated card. Set the image path to assets/firebase.png and the height and width to 250.0. Great! It's time to call the sized box with a width of width device divided by 3. In the child property, I'm gonna call a column widget. Inside the children, I wanna call the SenseBolt class and write backend development. Let's not forget to give it a size of 30.0. Call a sized box now and give it a height of 15.0. I'm gonna call the last sense class here and write, do you want your backend to be highly scalable and secure? Let's have a conversation on how I can help you with that. Of course, give it a size of 15.0 and I'm gonna call this sized box for the last time with a height of 40.0. And that's it. Let's reload this app. And as you can see, everything looks so amazing. Congratulations! With this, we have finished coding the About page.